Hello, welcome students. I am Rekha Thorat, Associate Professor. Today, I am going to discuss with you syllabus of BSc Part 2nd Mathematics. For BSc Part 2, Semester 3, there are two papers. Paper 5 is Real Analysis 1, which is also denoted as DSC 5C. This paper is for 50 marks. In this paper, there are two units. First unit is functions and countable sets. In this unit, first article is on sets. In this article, we will see some operations on sets: union, intersection, complement, relative complement, Cartesian products of sets, relation. Second article is on functions. In this article, we will see some definitions and some theorems on functions. Third article is mathematical induction. In this article, we will see theorems, principle of mathematical induction without proof, well ordering property of natural numbers. Principle of mathematical induction, second version, statement only. Principle of strong induction, statement only. Fourth article is on countable sets. In this article, we will see some definitions and some theorems on countable sets and some examples. Second topic, that is unit 2, is the real numbers. In this unit 2, first article is on algebraic and order properties of R. R is set of all real numbers. In this article, we will see some theorems. Second article is on inequalities. There are two inequalities: arithmetic geometric mean inequality, Bernoulli's inequality. These two inequalities are without proof. Third article is on absolute value and neighborhood. In this article, we will see some theorems, corollaries, examples. Next article is on completeness property of R. In this article, we will see some properties, some theorems, that is Archimedean property, some theorems and corollary. Last article is on intervals. Here we will study characterization theorem. Thus, in paper 5, there are two units, unit 1 and unit 2. This paper 5, it is real analysis 1, is for 50 marks. Now, we will study paper 6, which is also known as algebra 1. It is denoted as DSC 6C. It is also for 50 marks. In this paper algebra 1, there are two units. Unit 1 is matrices and relations. In this unit 1, we will see various definitions of matrices. For example, Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix, their properties, rank of a matrix, row echelon form of a matrix, reduced row echelon form. Also, we will study system of linear homogeneous equations, linear non-homogeneous equations, condition of consistency, characteristic equation of a matrix, eigenvalues, eigenvectors of a matrix, Cayley-Hamilton theorem, applications of this Cayley-Hamilton theorem, relations, equivalence relations, partial ordering relations, digraphs, matrix representation, composition of relations, transitive closure, Warshall's algorithm, equivalence classes, partition of a set, and theorem on equivalence relation. Now in second unit is on groups. In this second unit, groups, we will study definitions of group, semi-group, abelian group, finite group, infinite group, quaternion groups, order of the groups, and examples. Also there are some theorems on these groups. There is article on subgroups. In this article we will see definitions of subgroup, improper group, proper subgroups, trivial subgroups, and examples, and theorems on subgroups. Next article is on cyclic groups and its properties. In this article we will study definition of cyclic group and theorem on cyclic group. Next article is on cosets. In this article we will see definition of coset, left and right coset in a group, and examples. Also there are theorems on cosets. Thus in paper 6 algebra 1 there are 2 units. This paper is for 50 marks. Thank you.